In the heart of tranquility stands a masterpiece, an elegant black Japanese minimalist home that redefines modern living. This is not just a house. It is a sanctuary of balance, simplicity, and longevity. Designed to harmonize with nature, its dark-hued facade absorbs the surroundings, creating an atmosphere of quiet sophistication. Every element is intentional. Every space is crafted to inspire peace. This is modern Zen, a home designed to last forever. From the moment you approach, the home commands attention with its deep charcoal tones and clean geometric form. Inspired by traditional Japanese aesthetics, it embraces the philosophy of wabi-sabi, the beauty of imperfection. The exterior, clad in charred wood using the ancient Sho sugi-ban technique, not only exudes elegance but also offers durability against time and nature. This home is built not just for today but for generations to come. Large sliding glass doors erase the boundary between indoors and outdoors, allowing nature to become an integral part of the living experience. The garden, designed with raked gravel, moss-covered stones, and delicate bonsai, reflects the Zen principles of simplicity and mindfulness. A koi pond mirrors the house in its still waters, enhancing the meditative ambience. Every glance outside is a reminder to slow down and appreciate the present moment. Step inside, and a world of calm welcomes you. The living room embodies restrained luxury, low furniture, warm wood textures, and an open floor plan that invites natural light to play across the surfaces. Soft linen curtains filter the daylight, creating an interplay of light and shadow. A single tokonoma alcove, adorned with a seasonal ikebana arrangement, becomes the focal point, reminding us that beauty lies in simplicity. kitchen is a seamless extension of the home's minimalist philosophy. Dark matte cabinetry blends effortlessly with polished stone countertops, while a deep wooden dining table invites slow, mindful meals. Open shelving displays only the essentials: handmade ceramics, earthenware teapots, and cast iron cookware, each piece carefully chosen for function and beauty. Cooking here is not a task. It is a ritual, a meditation in movement. The bedroom is a retreat within a retreat. A low platform bed sits against a textured charcoal wall, accompanied by soft lighting that mimics the glow of lanterns. Tatami flooring adds warmth, grounding the space in tradition. Here, technology is kept to a minimum. Only the rustling of bamboo in the evening breeze and the faint scent of hinoki would fill the air. Sleep comes effortlessly in such a serene environment. Inspired by the timeless tradition of Japanese hot springs, the bathroom is more than just a functional space. It is an escape. A deep soaking tub made of black stone sits against a floor-to-ceiling window overlooking a private rock garden. The ritual of bathing here is transformative, a moment to cleanse both body and mind. The sound of trickling water, the scent of natural oils, and the warmth of the tub create an experience of pure relaxation. In a world cluttered with distractions, this home embraces the power of emptiness. Each room is a study in negative space, allowing the mind to breathe. There are no unnecessary decorations, no excess furniture, just carefully curated elements that serve both function and beauty. This intentional design not only enhances longevity, but also fosters a way of life that is peaceful, uncluttered, and deeply fulfilling. Though modern in appearance, this home carries the soul of ancient Japanese craftsmanship. Materials are chosen for their ability to age gracefully. Wood that darkens with time, stone that bears the marks of seasons, and metal that develops a rich patina. It is a space that evolves, that tells a story of those who live within. In this house, time is not an enemy, it is a companion. This black Japanese minimalist home is more than architecture. It is a philosophy, a testament to the art of living well. Designed to endure, to adapt, and to inspire, it is a place where simplicity meets sophistication, where every detail has meaning. In a world that moves too fast, this home remains timeless, standing still in perfect harmony with nature. It is not just a home, it is a legacy of Zen.